friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw the Ditto girl from Pokopia, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started with the eyes. So splitting our paper in half, stepping over on the left, we're going to draw in a circle for that left eye. We're going to move across, lining this up at the same height and replicating this on the right. Now on the top of both eyes, let's draw in a nice big circle for that highlight. And then we'll just color in the rest of that pupil black, finishing that off. Let's draw in the mouth now. So we're going to flatten this out on the top, curving that out slightly. And then we're going to round this out. So on the left-hand side, curving this around and in towards the middle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, rounding that out, blending that in together. Let's close off the tongue, curving this up and across on the right. And now let's draw in the hair. So moving up, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down towards our eye, bringing that back through and up on the right. So replicate that on the side. So again, we're going to curve this further down, pulling that back through and up on the right. And now let's close off the shape of the face. So on the left-hand side from this point, we're going to round this out, curving this over, tucking this down on the side. We're going to round out the cheek, curving this over, pulling that through for the chin, flattening that out. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. So we're going to curve this down, pulling that over, back in, blending that together in the middle. Let's close off the cheeks. So on the left-hand side, rounding that out. We'll do the same thing coming underneath the hair on the right. Let's draw in the ears. So we're going to draw in a nice big half circle on the left-hand side. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now on the top, we're going to curve this line up, down, and then in. And then from that point, just curving that back over. Now let's move up. We're going to draw in the hat. So we're going to come up in the middle, curving this up, over, and down. And then starting back on this line, coming up on a diagonal, we're going to curve this up, around, and in. Let's close off the hair underneath. So on the top here, we're going to arch this around, connecting it to that line, pulling this through towards the top of the ear. And then we'll do the exact same thing, coming underneath here, curving this around and down. Let's finish off the hat on the top. So on the left-hand side, we're going to follow this pattern, curving this up, down, and in towards the middle. And then we'll continue to extend this line through, pulling this around and down on the side. Let's draw in a dome shape above. So we're going to arch this back through and then down on the right. And then from that corner, just arching this line across. Now moving up, we're going to curve this around and down on the side. Now let's draw in the pigtails on the side. So we're going to curve this line around and in. Now from here, from that point, we're going to curve this around, back up and over. And then again, just rounding this out, curving this around and up. And then we'll close this off, arching this in towards that ear. Let's come down and draw in the dress now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this down and out. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side, extending that on a slight diagonal. In the middle here, let's curve this line across for that neck. From the center, stepping over, we're going to draw in two straight lines coming down on the left-hand side and the right-hand side to create a rectangle. And then we'll close that off on the bottom. Now from that corner, we're going to curve this line up, down, and in towards that point, connecting that together. Let's come up. In the center, let's draw in a circle. Now on the top from the side of that dress, we're going to curve this around and down. And then we're going to leave a small gap, replicating that underneath. Let's step out. We're going to replicate that again, curving this over and through. We'll do the exact same thing on the bottom. And then we're going to flatten this out with a straight line on the top and bottom. Let's come over and draw on the arms now. So we're going to round out the shoulder, curving this down. And then we're going to pull the arm through, curving that out on the top. Let's come down underneath. We're going to bring this diagonal line across, ending that at the same width there. And now on the top, we're going to curve this down on both sides. Now let's draw on the hand. So for the thumb, we're going to curve this line down, around, back up. Now let's draw on the first finger. So we're going to curve this line across, tugging that around, and then back in. Now in the middle again, curving this up, down, back through. Again in the middle, curving this up, down, and in. And then lastly for that pinky, again, just curving this up, down, and through, connecting that to that line on the very top. Let's draw on the legs now. So right in the center, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. And then on the left and right hand side, we're just going to draw the straight line coming down, ending that at the same distance there. Now let's close this off with another arch line underneath. Just making sure those lines connect. Again, let's close this off. So stepping down, we're going to curve this around, pulling that back through. Arch this line over on both sides. Again, let's step up, replicating that again, ending that at the exact same width. And now from here, from that bottom line, curving this up and over. And now we're just going to pull this diagonal line through on the back. And that is it. That's how you draw the Ditto girl from Pokopia. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.